extra batteries. Very, very sturdy packaging. Let's see what's inside the bag. And it's full. Of course, the all important joystick. There's extra propellers. Can't believe so much fits in this, it's amazing. I can tell it's my first time having a drone. About the propellers, apparently they take care of themselves once it's activated. And there we are. Of course it already comes with the one battery. I'm not going to get in too much to the tech stuff. There are many tech guys out there with their channels that really go through the anatomy of this. I just want the drone to bring you people better video content, especially when I get up in the Highlands and anything else I fancy doing. So this is basically the combo set which came and is ordered. The lowest price you'll find it would be £1,459, which is the price DJI would give it to. I ordered mine from Jessop's because they did the price match, and also it was the 18-month paying up, which suited me. And so putting down a good bit of deposit on it, over the next 18 months it'll be a fine amount to pay up, interest free. And the price match, basically I got it down to like just over 1,200. So I saved about £200 just by finding a cheaper price online, and Jessop's matched it and also still kept the 0% interest, which was really good offer. And the thing that I was really surprised with, I didn't realise it was the case, is this little side pack has a little SanDisk Extreme 16 gigabit memory card. So it's one thing I was obviously going to be looking at.